Now, let's greet some people, okay? We're ready to meet the French. Let's get out there and let's do this. So to say hello or good day or good morning, we're going to say the exact same thing. Bonjour. 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 You say it with such confidence. Wonderful. Now, can you say it like you're being a little bit coquettish? Bonjour. Bonjour. Very good. It's a nice little sing-song thing that happens with the French language, and I find that utterly charming. If you make it kind of sing-songy, does not mean that you're going to get it sing-songy back, but it's fun to try. And you do want to remember that whenever you come into a restaurant, a boutique, any kind of shop, cheese market, whatever, you always greet the merchant. Even if you don't see them, you need to assume that they're there, and you need to present yourself by saying good day. So let's try that. We just walked in and? Bonjour. Perfect. Now, at the end of that, you would say goodbye, of course. So, au revoir. Au revoir. Au revoir. Au revoir. I'm going very systematic with the syllables on that. Au revoir. But that's probably not what you're going to hear. Likely, you'll hear it sound like this. Au revoir. Au revoir. Now, as particular as the French are about their language, they also like to take liberties with it, which means that they like to blend things or kind of run things together. And so you need to be accustomed to hearing that. In a very formal situation, let's say, I don't know, you're dealing with the police or something, you would be very meticulous about pronouncing that. Au revoir. Au revoir. And they would be with you as well. But if you're just leaving the cheese shop, au revoir. Au revoir. Nice.